guys, Saving with Shay, and I am here for my midweek haul for you guys. It's late, it's 11:30, you guys, and I'm barely getting to the store. So my midweek, I only need 10 rebates for $5. Should be relatively easy. If I do need one or two extras and I cannot seem to find anything, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and just grab a gift card. But if you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button to support your girl. Other than that, there's not a whole lot that I want to talk about. If there are deals that I am totally like they're going over your girl's head, drop them in the comment section so we can all share. Other than that, let's head into Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. You want to see what your girl got? Keep on watching. Alright guys, so this first deal is on the Polar Seltzer. I'm not a big seltzer person. Like, I'll drink these carbonated waters over here, but seltzer I can never get into. If you guys like seltzer, let me know in the comments. Do you mix it with something or you just drink it like that? Because I've tried some of them and I'd rather just drink water. But this deal I got from Sister Saving You, since they are priced at 98 cents. For this, you want to go in and grab two of them. You end up paying $1.96 and getting back $1 for buying two on Ibotta. So bring them down only 48 cents. Deal is on the brisk tea. These are priced at $1. You're gonna grab one of them. I'm gonna get back 30 cents on Ibotta. Plus there's a 10-cent NET as well that it's working for. Bringing that down to what, 60 cents? So this next deal is on the Denon Light and Fit. It's on the zero sugar ones. I think I saw what did I see? Fendi Saved, I think she posted this deal. She actually found some 45-cent coupons on hers. I don't see any on mine, so grabbing one at $1.42, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, brings these down to only 67 cents each. With a little bit on the Benefo. It's on the little ones. This store is completely out of them. I did this deal in my last video, grabbing 4 of them, and it made it a nice little money maker. So today my goal was to just grab 2 of them, paying $2.68 and then getting back 75 cents for each on Ibotta, plus $1.25 on Alexa. It's also on Tada as well as Shopmium, making it a 7-cent money maker. This next deal was on the Always Discreet. It is still on Shopkick. Only thing is I'm out of coupons, you guys, and so they are priced at $5.67. The only one I haven't actually scanned on Shopkick is the 48 count. I have tried the 44 as well as the 30. Again, priced at $5.67. If you use a $3 coupon from our inserts, you'll end up paying $2.67 and getting back 850 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $3.40. So it makes it a 73-cent moneymaker on that. Okay, so next up is the U by Kotex. It is priced at $3.30. So we're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $6.60, but then you're gonna get back $1.50 on Ibotta for buying one. And then there's also $2 on Tada, Alexa, Shopmium, or if you have it on Swagbucks, making them only 55 cents. Right, just a reminder on the Prime Bites brownies, they are priced at $9.98. I'll have a link for you. I believe this is still going on, so to make it absolutely free, it's an aisles offer. And I tried one of these yesterday, you guys, and they're actually pretty good. And they're actually pretty big for one serving. And so, yeah, definitely not. The next deal is going to be on the Irish Spring. It's on the 20-ounce bottles. They're priced at $4.97. You want to grab one of these, getting back $2 on Ibotta. Now, there's also $1 on Alexa, Tada, Shopmium, Swagbucks as well, making it only 97 cents. All right, now they also have a soft soap as well, also priced at $4.97. Same rebates, grabbing one of them, getting back 2 on Ibotta, and then $1 on Alexa, Shopmium, Tada, or Swagbucks, making that 97 cents. This next deal is going to be on the razors. There are 3 BOGO offers on Ibotta. It's for the Glade. It's for the Glide, the Escape, and the Sensitive one. So for that, we want to buy a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $13.84, but getting back $6.92 on Ibotta for buying the 2. And then there's also $3 on Shopmium, Alexa, Tada, Swagbucks, bringing them down to only 46 cents each. Right, next up is the Dove Bar Soap, priced at $1.88. For this, you want to grab one. You're getting back 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80, making them only 8 cents per bar. And the limit on this is 2 per receipt, so you can grab 2 at one time, making this a really awesome deal. Of course, right? Surprisingly, the Dove stick popped back up on my Shopkick, which is crazy because I know I totally maxed that out. but it did pop back up. I'm gonna grab one price at $5.78, and we're gonna be using this chiller coupon right here that I got from CVS. You'll end up paying $3.78 out of pocket and getting back 850 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.40, making that 38 cents. And then for the sticks down here they're priced at $4.98. Using the $1.50 coupon right here, again found at CVS. That'll bring your total down to you paying $3.48 and then getting back 850 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.40, making that only 8 cents. I still have the CoverGirl Eye product offer on Ibotta, number 500, which is cheaper online. It is $2.28. We're gonna use a $3 coupon from our inserts. It's gonna give us 72 cents of overage, and then we'll get back to on Ibotta, making that a $2.72 moneymaker. Now, some of you guys are asking, I have been using coupons and self-checkout with the new system. It's been working fine, and I have still been getting overage. And so, yeah. Now, that coupon didn't work on this one over here, which this one right here, we're price matching shimmering sands for, I think that was $4.85. Coupon didn't work for me. Yeah. And then we also do have offers on Shop Me and Alexa, ta-da, Swagbucks as well, that just popped up, if you don't have paper coupons. Guys, they finally got these ink box things at my store, and it's not even on Ibotta no more. Like, this rebate has come like, what, 2 or 3 times? And I always miss out on it because they don't have it. Now they finally have it and the rebate is gone. So hopefully it'll pop back up. I know some people I've seen find them on end caps, but for me it's in the beauty section next to the nails. And so, yeah, hopefully it'll pop back up on Ibotta. Next deal is on the Alka-Seltzer Energy Boost. That is in the wrong spot. It's priced at $4.97. You're gonna grab one. We're using this $1 coupon right here. I did get this deal from Mr. Ohio Valley. So you'll pay $3.97 and get back 1,100 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.40, making that a 43-cent moneymaker. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. This worked out really good. I didn't have any major issues. I mean, it's a tiny little haul. Like, how many issues can you possibly have? I only had like 2 or 3 coupons. I had 1, 2, 3, 4 coupons. The only coupon that didn't scan was the Alka-Seltzer. This one right here, it didn't scan. And I went to a regular register. So that printable did not work at the regular register. I don't know if it would have worked in self-checkout, but it did not work with the regular register. All right. The other thing I've noticed too at my store, like, we have a cashier back in cosmetics and we have one in the personal hygiene section or whatever. Those degree coupons for some reason don't scan for me back there. And the CoverGirl coupons didn't scan for me back there either, which was weird. So I had to take all of that up front today. But they did work with the regular register, which is weird, right? So I don't know what's up with that. And the registers back in cosmetics and the personal hygiene, those are the old system. And so, yeah, just thought I'd mention that. Other than that, everything else worked out really good. I did price match for the CoverGirl because that's all they had. And I was able to use my coupon. I did get overage, which was cool. And other than that, I think that's basically it. Everything you see here retails $58.95. I have $15.50 in coupons to try the out-of-pocket down to $43.45. And then we walk away with $27.57 from Ibotta. Shopkick was $11.08. Ta-da was $7, and Alexa is $7. So we get back a total of $52.65, making everything you see here free plus a $9.20 moneymaker. So not the hugest haul, but nonetheless, we were able to make a little bit of money. The tax for this is $4.44, which is crazy. I should tell Joseph he's into the $4.44, $3.33, and so yeah, my tax was $4.44. So even after tax, we still make just under $5, which is cool. So other than that, I'll leave it there. You guys have the most amazing night whenever watching, wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.